We're here with Scott Keast on his farm at Katanning, Western Australia. He's had the Coil press wheels for 2 plantings now, and he's going to tell us how they went. Over to you, Scott.
Yep, so we had a very, very dry start to the season. I think we started with 15 wheels late May, early June. We dry sown some canola, which the rain on top was beautiful and helped germinate. And I actually thought after that 15 wheels, I'll go and sow some more canola, so the rest of the program went in. And we just had quite an impressive germination on only sort of 14 to 15 wheels, with no rain really for the next 2 weeks after that. So they've definitely helped with the germination. And I got some very heavy, sticky clay country, which was the idea for running the wheels in the first place, because we used to get massive build up in the old press wheels and they would just stop turning and a lot of mud built up around here. So as far as the spring design and the self cleaning, that's working a treat.
Scott, tell me, mate, are you happy with the job the wheels are doing?
Yeah, very happy with the germination, the agronomy job. To get that sideways pressure on the seed with the 2 wheels and just a bit of a fine tilth over the top, yeah, seems to make quite a difference, and you see it in the line once you've passed over with the seeder, just the 2 indents on the side of the seed pressing in almost like a V, and that little bit of fine tilth over the top just to stop a bit of drying out. You haven't got that really hard pan like you'll get from a V on this press wheel here. So yeah, that'll press in and on the clay too, that'll just seal a bit, whereas these aren't doing that sealing and also the self cleaning. So yeah, yep.
That's a great comparison. What type of soil do you have?
So we range from heavy grey clays. The heavy grey clays just stick in here and stop the wheel turning and make a real mess. They do build up on the points and the seeding system a bit too. Obviously not on these, but down to sandy gravels. So even some non-wetting sandy gravels, which I think these are early days yet, but I think having a bit of an impact, just with that fine tilth on top, like I was saying before, to stop that drying. Down to mostly fairly medium loams, so yeah, a real mix of soil types. But they were definitely brought for the grey clays, the blue clays on the on the plats there. So yep.
Now, Scott, would you recommend them?
Yeah, I definitely recommend them. Yep. If you've got problems with the clay sticking in your press wheels, and yeah, even I think with the germination, it's obviously nothing's proven yet, but I just think we're seem to be having a pretty good germination, and we've certainly had some very dry conditions over the last 2 years since I've been running them. So yeah, bit of a testimonial. So yeah.